Imagine embarking on an epic road trip across the incredible landscapes of India, not in a conventional car, but in an electric vehicle. This is the story of a journey that combines adventure, sustainability, and the beauty of a nation like no other. Welcome to Electric Car Road Trip across India, a voyage that will take us through breathtaking scenery, unique cultural experiences, and the evolving world of electric mobility. Buckle up because this is going to be one unforgettable ride. Our journey begins with this beauty, the Hyundai Creta Electric, an electric car designed for both performance and sustainability. With a range of up to 473 km on a single charge and cutting-edge technology, this car is our trusted companion for the road ahead. Our route? A thrilling cross-country adventure, starting from Statue of Unity and winding through the diverse landscapes of India. From bustling cities to serene countryside, from majestic mountains to sun-kissed coasts. But this isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey and the message it carries. Why an electric car, you ask? Because this trip is more than just a road trip. It's a mission to explore the possibilities of sustainable travel and to show that electric vehicles are not just the future, but a viable option for the present. Of course, no electric road trip is without its challenges. As we navigate India's evolving EV infrastructure, we encounter both excitement and hurdles. Charging stations are popping up across the country, but they're not always easy to find. Range anxiety? It's real. But so is the thrill of pushing boundaries and proving that electric cars can go the distance. Along the way, we'll explore the current state of EV adoption in India, how far we've come, and how far we still have to go. This journey isn't just about testing the limits of our car. It's about sparking conversations, raising awareness, and inspiring a shift toward greener mobility. India is a land of stories, and every mile brings a new one. From the vibrant festivals of Rajasthan to the tranquil backwaters of Kerala, this journey is as much about the people as it is about the places. We've met artisans preserving centuries-old traditions, farmers tending to their fields, and families who've welcomed us with open arms. Each encounter is a reminder of the rich tapestry of cultures that make India so unique. And the landscapes, they're nothing short of magical. Picture this, driving through misty mountain roads, golden deserts stretching to the horizon, and coastal highways kissed by the sea breeze. This is India in all its glory, raw, beautiful, and unforgettable. Every adventure has its challenges, and this one is no exception. From unexpected detours to charging stations that weren't quite where the map said they'd be, we've had our fair share of hurdles. But with every challenge comes a lesson and a story. We've learned to adapt, to plan ahead, and to embrace the unexpected. And sometimes, it's those unplanned moments that leave the deepest impressions. A chance encounter with a kind stranger, a hidden waterfall we stumbled upon, or a local dish that became an instant favorite. This journey isn't just about the miles we've covered, it's about the memories we've made along the way. As our journey comes to an end, we can't help but reflect on what this trip represents. It's a glimpse into the future of mobility, a future that's cleaner, greener, and more sustainable. India's EV landscape is evolving rapidly, and this road trip is proof that electric vehicles are ready to take on the challenges of long-distance travel. But the real change starts with us. With every decision we make, every mile we drive, and every conversation we have. So what's next? The road ahead is full of possibilities, And we hope this journey inspires you to think differently about how you travel. Together, we can drive toward a greener, brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey across India. If this trip has shown us anything, it's that adventure knows no bounds, and neither does the potential for change. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow more stories like this. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep driving toward a better tomorrow. See you on the road.